Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into CryptoRank app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So here's the breakdown. The CryptoRank app gives crypto trader and investors a clean real-time view of the market, price, market cap, historical chart, and alerts that are all in one place. It tracks news and on-chain metric for thousands of tokens, which make it handy if you follow multiple coin or DeFi asset and you want up-to-date information without jumping between sites. On the downside, some users find the sheer amount of data overwhelming, and the free version limits certain advanced tools. A few features also feels more web focused than the app optimized to. So in my opinion, I actually think the crypto app is worth downloading if you want a powerful market overview and a reliable price alert. But if you only watch a couple of cryptos or prefer ultra simple app, it might be more than what you need. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review. You're welcome.